Check this crayfish out. We just found her crossing the road in the rain. There's something you don't see every day. Look at that. She means business. She's what they call buried. She's got eggs under her tail, so she has extra reason to be defensive. That is very cool. Yeah, you're angry. You mean business. That's cool. Here, focus on the camera. Oh, no. Focus on this. I want to grab you and take you off the road. Don't do that. You're so bad at this. I'm trying to help you and you're hurting yourself. Look at this. Look at those eggs. It's the next generation of crayfish.
Yeah, that's gross.
Isn't that gross? It's awesome. There you go. Oh, that's weird. Interesting choice there.